In the element type area, here we can define to create normal reinforcement or create a Python part element can be modified later. Input Python parts element name. Concrete cover area, define concrete cover. Switch horizontal and vertical layer if needed. Offset area, add top offset or depth of slab above. Add start and end wall offset if needed. This is a Python part element. Double-click to reopen the Python parts interface. Modify parameters as you want. Offset to the wall. Click Expand to define more advanced parameters. Rebar length area, define minimum and maximum bar length. Overlap length area, define overlap length by input value or input multiplier of bar diameter. Define rebars to be joint at the middle of the wall if needed. Stirrup area, define parameters for stirrups. Minimum opening area, this feature helps you ignore small openings. Ignoring small openings. Minimum bar length. Maximum length and overlap long rebars. Stirrups parameters. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.